welcome back to the channel. You join me today in Da Nang City where we are facing the beach here, and we'll be staying in a hotel that's very close to where I am right now. It's the 4 Points Sheraton, just right behind you. The 4 Points Sheraton Da Nang is located just about 5 minutes walk away to the beach, and it's one of many hotels that is stretched all along the beach, so you do get a very good view from your hotel room here. This particular property was actually built not that long ago, just in 2018. So everything in this hotel, including the rooms and facilities, are still fairly new, as you can see here. Alright, let's check out our room. Now, as a Bonvoy Gold member, I was upgraded to a higher floor, specifically on the 32nd floor facing the beach. Welcome to 4 Points Sheraton in Da Nang, and we're at room 3209 today, which is a standard room. Walking in here, you will find a wardrobe with the usual suspects. So you have some bathrobes, you have an iron, and you have an ironing board right there as well. There is a safe. It's pretty dark, but there is a safe, and also some really comfortable slippers here. Moving forward, you have a little area here for you to put your stuff. I think if a coffee machine were to be here, that would be great. But I believe if we look at the bottom here, we should be able to find, yes, a fully stocked mini bar, all chargeable, of course. And let's look for the coffees and teas. So it's by Dilma. There is chamomile, there's green tea, and then English breakfast as well. At the bottom, you have a kettle. It's fairly clean, so that's good. And some free water as well. There's also an area for you to put your luggage right here. There's a hair dryer here, there's towels, the usual stuff, lotions, dental kits, combs, everything here. But why am I so impressed with this toilet? It's because of this. This is a really high-tech bidet system. And I'm happy that they have this thing here. That's truly amazing. Moving here into the shower, you also have a rainfall as well as a handheld, and they come with shampoo, conditioner, as well as body wash. Moving back into the bedroom, I can see that this bed is gonna be fairly comfortable. It feels really good, actually. I think this is really good. And there's 4 pillows right there, as well as a very nice size TV. If you're working on this trip, you'll be happy to know there's also a work desk and a really comfortable seating area right here. There is also somewhere for you to lounge around, this really nice chair. And what I feel like is a very nice touch by the staff in this hotel itself, they actually gave me a little welcome note here and some snacks. I believe they are local Da Nang cuisine or delicacies. I'm not too sure, but yeah, there's that. Right beside the bed, there is also a clock, and I believe it's also a Bluetooth speaker. But what I'm most impressed with this room, and I say it many times now, is the view. So we are on the 32nd floor, and it does come with a balcony. Look at that view. Oh my god. This is truly amazing. There is also a fitness center in this hotel itself, and it boasts a very good view, by the way. Equipment wise is actually adequate, and they have everything you need for a short workout. Let's talk about Horizon, which is the on-site restaurant and bar. It's located on the highest floor of the building and is right beside the pool, where you get a good view of Da Nang in the day like this, and at night it kinda looks like this. At the Horizon Bar, you can get food as well as drinks, but I would highly recommend coming for the happy hour between 5 to 7 p.m. every single day. Beers goes for as low as 50,000 Vietnamese dong for a pint. Now, I know you could get cheaper prices out there, but for a hotel setting, it's actually not too bad. People always ask me, what about the internet speed? Well, I can report that 4 Points Sheraton Da Nang has one of the best internet speeds out there. After checking out the hotel, I decided to check out the beach. Overall, it was really clean and the sand were really fine. There was a lot of pubs and clubs on the beach itself with live bands to entertain you. Overall, it's the perfect place to end the day. Now, let me show you the sunrise view from our room itself. Isn't it just incredible? After that spectacular view, we decided to check out the Eatery, where the breakfast buffet is being served. As you can see, there's a lot of sittings, but also a lot of people this morning. There was a huge array of food options available at this buffet, and let me just assure you, you will definitely not go hungry. It was a good mix between Vietnamese cuisine, Asian cuisines, and Western cuisine as well. One item at the buffet that really shined was the ice cream bar. I can't believe they actually have an ice cream bar for a breakfast buffet, but there you go, that's part of the dessert list. Alright, let me sum up about this hotel. There is nothing wrong with it, there is no fault I can find with this hotel, and at a price point of under 100 Singaporean dollars, it is really hard to find, and to be honest, they have really impressed me, going above my expectations. I will definitely come back to 4 Point Sheraton and stay with them once again. Anyways, have you stayed with this hotel before? And if you have, how do you find it? Leave a comment in the comment section below, and as usual, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to this video, as I'll be posting more in the coming weeks. Until next time guys, take care.